In this video, we are going to learn about how to record your voice using Audacity. First of all, open your Audacity software and then you can record your voice using this software. First of all, make sure you have connected a microphone in your computer. Plug in a microphone in your computer and go to audio setup option to check it out. Hover over the recording device and here you can see multiple microphone is available. Select a microphone, like I want to select this one. After that, just click to red icon to record your voice. You can see recording has started. Now record anything in this software for your project. After finishing your recording, just click to this stop icon. And that's it. Now it's time to export your voice. Click to file and export audio. You can also use your keyboard by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus E and rename your file and also select a position where you want to save your file. Click to save and export. And that's it. You can record your voice using Audacity by following this method. I hope you should like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.